Moving on, African Continental Free Trade Agreement Secretary General Wamkele Mene says African countries must unify to deal with the disruption caused by U.S. President Donald Trump global tariffs. Frederick Moki has the details as we take a glimpse of what is happening in the world of business across Africa.
President Donald Trump slapped tariffs on almost every country in the world, complaining they have been taking advantage of the world's largest economy's openness for trade. Economists have, however, questioned the methodology used to arrive at the tariffs, which saw the small mountain kingdom of Lesotho slapped with the highest tariff rate at 50% under Trump's reciprocal tariffs. The tariffs on Africa have called into question the future of the African Growth and Opportunity Act, AGOA, under which a number of African countries enjoyed duty-free access to U.S. markets. The pact is due for renewal this year. African Continental Free Trade Agreement Secretary General Wamkele Mene suggests the continent should use the opportunity to diversify its markets and strengthen intra-African trade, which remains the lowest among global regions at under 20%. Meanwhile, the South African rand rose as gold prices rose after U.S. President Donald Trump criticized Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, rattling markets and boosting demand for the safe haven asset. The rand is often supported by surges in prices of the gold and mineral exports that South Africa's economy relies on. Finally, the World Food Programme has suspended malnutrition treatment for 650,000 malnourished women and children in Ethiopia this week due to severe funding shortages. The UN agency said with millions more at risk of losing access to aid, World Food Programme gets financing from 15 to 20 donors, including the United States, but many of them have cut funding this year. The country director in Ethiopia said that the agency has received exemptions from the U.S. President Donald Trump's aid freeze that has disrupted humanitarian work around the world, but little for 2025 so far.